The relentless hum of Ratchayothin intersection, the constant symphony of city life, is just a stone's throw away. On a 560 square meter plot, nestled among towering apartments, bustling schools, and a maze of residences, a challenge arose: how to create a sanctuary that embraces the pulse of the city while steadfastly preserving the peace of its inhabitants. This is the genesis of Waterfall House, a vertical answer to a horizontal dilemma, a testament to thoughtful design in the face of urban sprawl. Necessity, as the saying goes, is the mother of invention. With limited space to spread out, the house rises high, a layered cake of privacy. The ground floor, a welcoming embrace, is dedicated to public interaction. Above it, the second and third floors unfold into the family's domain, common sleeping and living spaces, a world away from the hustle and bustle of the city. But the noise, the constant hum of the city, demanded a unique solution. And so, the swimming pool, an unexpected oasis, finds its home on the second floor, right next to the family's heart. It is from this lofty watery haven that the house truly finds its voice. The design team envisioned a continuous flow, a visual and auditory ribbon connecting the pool with the public space below. The answer was a waterfall, a cascade of water that cascades down from the second floor, a fluid curtain that envelopes the city. Crafted from rich slate, it is not just a visual wonder, it is also an acoustic one. The constant murmur of falling water acts as a natural sound dampener, a soothing counterbalance to traffic, effectively blocking out the outside world and creating a private auditory cocoon for the family above. Privacy, of course, goes beyond sound. The north side, the unchangeable boundary to the neighboring apartment block, rises as a high, opaque wall. This formidable barrier serves two purposes: an immovable shield against prying eyes and a clever architectural mirror, reflecting the harsh southern sun and transforming it into soft, indirect light that bathes the family rooms throughout the day. The house is not entirely closed off, however. The sides that do not directly border the neighbors are deliberately left open, allowing glimpses of the city, a subtle nod to the vibrant life beyond its walls. From the semi-public spaces, where the building's clear cavities blur the line between inside and out, to the private sanctuary, large yet carefully designed for light and clerestory ventilation, every element is a considered response to the tropical climate. Vertical funnels, an ingenious solution for a region accustomed to heat and humidity, are integrated throughout the house. These architectural chimneys draw warm air upward, allowing it to escape and be replaced by cooler air from outside, a constant natural breath for the home. The Waterfall House is not just a building, it is a carefully crafted narrative, a living poem that embraces its context, offering comfort and serenity to those who call it home. And that concludes our tour of the Waterfall House by Greenbox Design. It's incredible to see how thoughtful architecture can transform a challenging urban plot into such a private and harmonious living space. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a clever design solution, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more architectural insights, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.